You keep hearing il and la, but when you speak everything becomes la problema. Be honest, do you still guess noun gender every time you open your mouth? I used to teach Italian at the university, and now I coach busy adults who are fed up with forgetting what they learn. I've seen one method work again and again. I didn't invent it, a world memory champion did, and he fixes gender mistakes fast. So in this video I'll show you why learning genders in Italian feels impossible, how this gender zones method works, and how you can steal the same trick today. Let's start with the real problem you recognize. Italian genders don't stick because you are trying to memorize them like grammar rules. That's why you forget them the second you speak. This memory champion did the opposite. He treated genders like locations, not like grammar. He split his mental map in two areas, one for masculine nouns, one for feminine nouns. If he learned l'ospedale and knew it was masculine, he didn't repeat it 100 times. He dropped it into a real hospital he knew well inside his masculine zone. If he learned la posta, feminine, he pictured a specific post office he knew well inside his feminine zone. If you learn Italian genders without a system, your brain panics and guesses. You need stable homes for words. Your memory is spatial before it is verbal. If a word lives somewhere, your mind grabs the gender automatically without thinking. So let's steal this trick and build your Italian gender map. Think of your brain like a city. Right now, all your Italian words, cane, mela, tavolo, live in the same grey apartment block. You know they are in there somewhere, but you never remember which floor they are on. So you copy the idea. Choose two places you know really well. Your hometown and your unicampus, two cities you love, even two areas of the same city. One becomes your masculine neighborhood, the other one becomes your feminine neighborhood. Now, imagine you move cane into your masculine neighborhood and mela into the feminine one. Later, when you think of the word, your mind flashes the place, and the place quietly reminds you of the gender. But now, you need the trick that turns this from a fun idea into instant recall. Most people build the zones, but forget to connect the noun to its place when speaking. You learn il tavolo, the table. You put it into your masculine zone. Great, fantastic. But then someone asks you, che cos'è? What is it? And your mind goes blank. Here is the fix. When you store the noun, link one action to the location. You slam the table down in your living room, your masculine zone. Make it wild, make it emotional. Your brain thrives on emotion. Later, when you hear tavolo, your mind flashes the action in the living room, and the room tells you masculine without effort. Now, you have got a complete map, but there is still one missing element to lock genders in forever. And that's the practical part. Learning only works when it becomes a habit. Without a daily touch point, the map fades. So here is a 1-minute daily system to learn hundreds of genders for life. Pick 5 new words, drop them into your masculine or feminine place. Add one simple action. Say the word aloud 3 times. The next day, recall the location before recalling the gender. This takes 1 minute and gives you automatic genders for the rest of your life. And the more words you add, the faster your internal map grows. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian fast, if learning Italian feels like a struggle, watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!